Hey everyone, from the title you have get to know the idea about the 0% tax structure in this video. Now we will gonna get straight. So if you talk about window and for example if you have open Estonian company, Estonia by default doesn't charge the corporate income tax. It only charges the taxes when you are distributing it. Like for example if you are distributing the profits, like you gain the 100k euros, like 1 lakh euros, and you want to distribute the profit among the shareholder as well as among the directors, so they will gonna charge the 22% on the dividends. Like first of all they will charge 22% on the 100k euros. Okay, so let's, for example, you have American clients as well as you have the European clients. So you want a global company, so you open an Estonian company, but you are tax resident or resident of India. So you are an Indian resident and you open an Estonian company. First of all, you will not gonna pay a corporate income tax. Now there is a catch here. The catch is that you have to spend very less time in India. For example, you have to spend only 1 to 2 months in India, or maybe less than that. You should be a tax resident of India. You shouldn't be tax resident of any other countries. And you can withdraw a salary of 12 lakhs or might be less than 12 lakhs. According to our finance minister, you can easily withdraw the salary of 12 lakhs tax free. But you are capped here at the 12 lakhs. But I'm gonna describe you more that how you can extract more from your Estonian company without tax. So like you are withdrawing the salary of 12 lakhs, that your personal income account from Estonian company. Now you have your father, mother, or your parents, or might be your partner also. So you can register them under the 44AD and under 44ADA. Like they are providing services, like they are providing the services or some kind of management services to your Estonian company. Let's suppose they are providing some kind of services under 44AD, like they are providing the services under 44AD, then their turnover should be less than 3 crore and their total tax will be 1.66 lakhs. Now some of you might think that we are earning 3 crores and we are paying only 1.6 lakhs in the taxes. Well, this is the case in the 44AD. Like you will gonna pay the taxes 6% on your overall turnover. This is the minimum tax that you have to pay on this income. Like you have the 3 crores of your total turnover and 6% of 3 crores, it's 18 lakh, and on 18 lakhs you have to pay 1.66 lakhs. If your partner or parent are providing some kind of services that lie under the 44ADA, then their turnover should be less than 75 lakhs. This is only the case when it is digital receipts received from that source. They should be 75 lakhs less than the source, and their tax will be on the 37.5. According to the 44ADA, you have to pay the taxes on your 50% of overall turnover. Like here it's a limit that is 75 lakhs. You have to pay 50% on that 75 lakhs, which will be 37.5. You have to pay tax on this amount, not on 75 lakhs, and the tax will be 7.3 lakhs. If you club all this, now most of them think that you have to pay the GST also. No, you don't have to pay the GST. Why do you don't have to pay GST? Because you are exporting the services. When you export the services from India to another countries, you don't pay GST. You don't charge the GST from your exporting partners. Like for example, as an Indian resident, if I'm providing the services to the American clients or the European clients or any other foreign clients, then I'm not gonna charge the GST from them. So if you club all this, like if you got the salary of 12 lakhs and if your partner or parents fall under this category 44AD, then your total income will be 3.10 crore. And if your parents or partner doesn't lie in this field, then they will gonna definitely be in this 44ADA. So in that scenario, your total clubbed income will be 79 lakhs. But every pro thing also have some kind of con things. Like they will gonna some kind of downsides also. So who's this structure actually for? Like there are a lot of says that you have to be this and that. So what is actually this structure for? If you're traveling intensively, like if I'm outside of my home country, like if I'm outside of the India for more than 8 to 9 months or might be for a year, so I'm gonna choose a structure. I'm not staying in India for a long time. So if I stay in India, then my permanent establishment rule will gonna hit me. Like there is a rule in India, for example, the permanent establishment, which will gonna hit if you are staying a long time in India and you are managing the company from India. Then it will gonna hit you from when you pass this, it will gonna hit you 25%, like 20% of the corporate income tax in India. Then 0% income tax rate, it doesn't apply here. The 25% of Indian corporate income tax will gonna apply. So who is this actually for? This is actually for the digital nomads as well as for the travelers. Okay. So what are the pros of this? It avoids a place of effective management. You are not managing the company from India, so your permanent establishment as well as your place of effective management doesn't lie here. You are paying 0% corporate income tax in Estonia, as well as you are paying 0% personal income tax in India. But you are paying some kind of taxes on your 44AD and 44ADA, like you are providing, like your parents or partner providing some kind of services to the company. But the con here is that you have to spend a very less time in India. Means you can't spend much time. If you stay more time in India, then POEM rule will gonna hit. And the second one is the transfer pricing. Like in this example, I have stated that you can charge 3 crores from your Estonian company by your parents that they are providing some kind of services. But to avoid the transfer pricing rules, you can make your parents that they should have some kind of certificate or they should have some kind of qualification for that. Like for example, if your mother have some kind of qualification, like they have some kind of management course or they have some kind of internship, then in the starting you can charge, like for example, you can say my mother provides a very good amount of management services, so I'm going to charge 50 lakhs from her. In the next year, you can shift that to 50 lakhs to 1 crore. And in 1 to 3 years, you can charge 3 crores from her. So this is the actual structure of the income tax.